In this video, I will show you how to add custom domain to Shopify. So the first thing you need to do is go to settings on the left side corner. Click on it and then go ahead and click on domains, and you can connect existing domains, or you can just transfer domain or buy new domain. So let's proceed to connect a existing domain here. So I will show you. So for example, I have a domain like name of example.com, and I click on next, and then here I will go to my website, and then I will just type this type, name, current values, and update to. So I will just put here on the DNS record, and then I will click on add record. So that's how you add a existing domain here. And also, if you don't have existing, you can click on buy new domains, click on it, and then so wait for it to loading, and then just type the domain name that you want here. So for example, and I will type a example, and then click on search, and here I will choose the domain name that I want. So it has a lot of options, and for example, the $16 price per year. So I will click on buy, and then to buy the domain, you need to fill out this information like first name, last name, store name, email, phone number, country, address, postal code, city, and then just click on add payment method. Then fill out the information here about the payment method that you have. For example, the credit card here. So click on add credit card, and then after that, just click on buy domain. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.